Here's how to set up your rolling baskets, your grill baskets once you get them, because they don't come set all the way up. So you got the lid right here on top that pops open. On the other side, you've got a little screw in right there for the handle. So you just screw that into its slot, just like that. And then it has a nut right there you can tighten if you want to, but it gets plenty tight just with some hand turns. So there's that one. And then here's the smaller basket. Same handles for either handle, can go in either basket. So there's a look at them with the handles. Makes it really easy to just rotate them, spin them, and the handles have a nice wood finish. They're not like sticky or splintery or too dry. The handles feel really nice. So there's how you assemble everything. And then they say this is to help you open the basket. So if you want to just hook that and pop it open like that, you can do it that way. Because if things are really hot, you don't want to touch it with your hand. You can also use it to, help you close the baskets as well. But there's a look at the baskets. They work great, look great, really easy to assemble. I think you'll be happy with them.